Hey guys, this is my new paper airplane. This is one of my most favorite plane because it flies so well and it looks so awesome. Anyways, as a way to thank you guys for supporting me from day one, I decided to share with you this paper airplane. This is one of my best designs ever. So let me throw it. This is not a long distance plane, but this flies very well. Let's take a look. Let me throw it again. Let me show you guys how it's fly. It's more like a boomerang. Awesome, isn't it? It flies very well. And I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's check it out. Wow, this is really a cool glider. So it's this glide along with the wings. Wow, not bad. Let's test out the fastest paper airplane in 2018, the hollow plane. This is my new design and this flies very fast and far. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so let's test out the fastest paper airplane in 2018. This paper airplane is my new creation and it's flies very fast for a long distance. So just check it out. Let me throw it. Paper bird, and I'll show you guys how it flies. I'm sure that you throw it up at 60 to 80 degrees straight up high and we see how it flies. Now let's test it out. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Very cool, right? Let's try this again. Wow, cool, right? Let's test it out. Let's throw it at 30 degrees first and see how it flies. Do not throw it too hard, alright? So just throw it lightly to see how it flies first. Let's take a look at this. You see that? If you throw it lightly, the best. Guys, so this is the number 2. To throw it, make sure that you hold it at the center of the plane and curve the end of the wings up a bit like this, and make a straight throw up to 30 degrees, and let's see how this plane flies. Ooh. Oh well. Oh my gosh. Wow! Wow! Okay guys, now I'm going to show you guys how this new paper airplane fly straight from a roof of the building, and let's check it out. Wow. See? Nice flight path check. Okay guys, so to make sure that the plane will fly well, make sure that you create the elevators at the end of the plane and throw it up at 30 degrees. How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.